The integration in GCMS analysis is usually performed for specific ions. In our case, we figure out what are the spectra for individual peaks. We'll find out that first peak has most abundant ion 57. However, that ion can be part of many other spectra and so might have too much noise. 170 is the molecular ion, but it's very low, so maybe we'll go with compromise of 85 or 71 ion. The second spectra, the molecular ion is 154 and most abundant. The same for third peak, 188, most abundant. Now we can go to chromatogram and extract the ions, and we will work with 85, 154, and 188. We got 3 peaks and 3 overlaid extracted ion chromatograms. We can display them also separately by unclicking Display Ion Chromatogram in Merge format, or we can merge them back. Now, before we integrate, we should check that our integrator is ChemStation. Now we can go and integrate. We got peak areas of each peak if we go to the integration results. First is for the ion 85. We can copy and paste to the Excel, and we can hit close button to see another one for ion 154, and again we can copy and paste to Excel. And finally we see the data for ion 188, and we can close it as well. If we don't see all peaks are not integrated, we can change MS integration parameters. Typically we need to change threshold. Notice what happens if I increase threshold to 25. I can enter this threshold so it changes in the table, and then I can hit apply. Now I don't see anymore these ions. If I change it to very low value like 5 and I can enter it and hit apply, I'll see that I have integrated lots of noise. So I might be best off to select it again and change it maybe to 15, enter, apply, and see that I have mostly integrated my compounds. Sometimes when we are integrating, we need to fix the data integration by manual integration. We do this by going to Tools, Options, and selecting Manual Integration. Then, using the left drag, we can magnify, right drag, we can integrate. Notice if you want to get a spectra with the right double click, this will not work because this now works only as an integration. If you want to get the mass spectra, you again have to go to the options and unselect manual integration.